Subscribe to MasterChef Mom and press the bell icon to get all the recipe updates.
So it's a lazy Sunday, and Uma and me, we were debating what should we have for lunch. Sunday normally, we want to have something really nice and yummy that goes very well with rice.
Correct. Usually I make a lot of dishes which are Sunday specials, but today it's absolutely no mood. I want to make something quick, Raghu.
So Uma, why don't you make spinach sambar?
Great. I'll make it in the cooker so that it's easy also. One shot, but super yummy.
See, normally we all love palak, right? Spinach as a side dish. But Uma will show you how to integrate that into mainstream sambar and make one amazing spinach sambar.
Yeah. Even if you get up late and you're hungry immediately, this can be made within 15 to 20 minutes. That's it.
So should we go to your kitchen?
Yeah. Let's go to my kitchen. Let's start making this sambar.
See you soon.
So to make this delicious spinach sambar, you will need all these ingredients. First step, I have washed the spinach and chopped it. Same for the tomatoes. I have also soaked a small lemon-sized tamarind in around half cup of warm water. I'm going to extract the juice. I'm also going to wash the tur dal twice. Now let's start making this one pot sambar in a pressure cooker. So I've heated a pressure cooker. I'm going to add oil to it. I'm using sesame oil. So once the oil is hot, you add your mustard seeds. So once the mustard seeds starts to splutter, you can add a mix of flax seeds, sesame seeds and fenugreek seeds. This is completely optional. If you want, you can add to the tempering. So the mustard seeds have started to splutter. I'm going to add this flax seed and sesame seed fenugreek mixture. If you have curry leaves, you can add. And now to this, I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. You can add your turmeric powder, mix well, and now you can add your chopped spinach, chopped and washed spinach. I'm going to add some salt, mix well. Now I'm going to add the sambar powder. This is around 2.5 teaspoons of sambar powder. The recipe for this sambar powder I'm giving in the description box below. You can try and you can use this sambar powder. You can make the sambar powder or you can even use store-bought sambar powder. So spinach does not take much time to cook at all. So you can see that it's already become mushy. That's it. Now I'm going to add the tamarind juice, the extracted juice, and I'm going to add the dal. This is the tur dal which I have washed twice. I'm adding the tur dal. I've already added salt. Now for the dal, I'm going to just add little more water so that it cooks well. So I'm adding around 1 cup of water. As this is spinach, it will also leave some water while cooking. So do not add too much of water, otherwise the sambar will become diluted. You can always, if it becomes thick, we can later always adjust little water, but add water only according to the amount of dal. So that's it. Now I'm going to close and pressure cook this up till 3 whistles on medium flame. I'm waiting for the pressure to come. Let me share you one tip of how I wash the spinach leaves. First, I wash the spinach leaves before cutting itself nicely under water. Then I chop them and again I wash them. So this way the spinach is fully clean. 3 whistles, you can reduce the flame to low and then cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or till the next whistle and switch off the gas. So I'm switching off now. So today for lunch, I have kept rice in the rice cooker, electric rice cooker. Sambar is done in this cooker and I'm going to fry some badams. By the time the pressure releases and we are able to see the sambar, the badam will also be ready. Simple lunch menu, and this sambar you can serve with chapati also. It will be very nice with rice, chapati, and if you don't eat rice, you can serve it with any millets. Cook your millets just like rice or dalia and you can enjoy this sambar with it. Simple and easy menu, ready very quickly. Now the pressure is released. Let's see how the sambar has turned out. Wow, so well cooked. Even the dal is so well cooked. Many of you have the doubt whether the dal will be cooked if you add salt while cooking. Definitely it cooks well. Follow the tips which I have shared and it will turn out delicious. Even the water quantity, everything is just right. Just mix it well. And you can transfer the sambar to another vessel and it's ready to be served or serve as is. So my simple and yummy lunch is now ready to be served. Some rice, ghee, a delicious peanut sambar. And some yummy vadam.
Well, I have the spinach sambar rice with me along with jawarsi, sabudana vadam. Simply, it smells wow. I'm going to dig in. Uma, insanely divine.
Yeah, Raghu.
In fact, I love palak, and you know, sambar, Uma anyway makes amazing sambar. So, this combination of spinach sambar, simply too good. You should all try it and give your feedback to Uma.
Thanks, Raghu. Yeah, it was so simple to make. Do try out. You will love it. You will get lots of compliments for this recipe. So do subscribe to MasterChef Mom. Comment on this video, like the video, do try and share your feedback with me. I'm waiting to hear all your feedback. We'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking.
Bye.
Bye.